In this video, we'll build an agentic application using the latest Grok4. Grok4 has got a live search option. So that is what we are going to keep it on in this agentic framework. Grok has several models. This is the latest one, Grok4. And it can understand images with a context window of 256K. Here is the live search mechanism. We can set it to off or auto or on, which always enables live search. Keep it in auto. The LLM will decide if there is any need to do live search. And hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. Here we have the Python code example using XAI SDK, but we will use Agno for it. Okay, so here is the code, and for the model we will use Grok4, and this is how we can enable live search. Okay, mode on and max search results and return citations true. Remember, these are very precious demonstrations. You will not find such demonstrations. These demonstrations will save your time when you are looking to implement such mechanisms without having any extra learning curve in understanding Grok, API, etc. when we use popular framework like Agno. I have already executed the code. Remember, the code is from Agno cookbook itself. So provide a digest of the world news in last 24 hours. Okay, world news digest last 24 hours. See the date. Based on the recent updates, we have the latest news, and below this you see the citations. Remember, this is not from any outside tool like DuckDuckGo, web search, etc. This is built into Grok4. This makes it very handy to build agents with native search tool offered by Grok itself. Of course, this adds to the cost. In the XAI usage, you can see the cost. So remember to keep a tab on the cost involved when you are building your agentic application. In this models page, we have the token and the pricing. Grok4 has got a rate limit of 200K tokens per minute. See you in another video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.